Welcome back to AI Unlocked, your weekly update on everything transforming the world of artificial intelligence. This week, OpenAI reportedly declared a code red inside the company. Why? Competition in the AI space is heating up fast, and OpenAI is shifting major resources to upgrade ChatGPT and accelerate new capabilities. The message is clear. The race to dominate AI is entering a new phase. Meanwhile, agentic AI that doesn't just answer questions, but can plan, take actions, and work like a digital teammate, is exploding across the tech world. Amazon Web Services says these new agent systems could boost productivity by 5 to 10 times. This is one of the biggest shifts in AI since the rise of large language models. But it's not all good news. A major study this week found that most leading AI companies still fail to meet global safety standards. As AI becomes more powerful and more autonomous, the pressure is building for better oversight, transparency, and worldwide safety rules. AI adoption is skyrocketing. A new survey shows 88% of organizations now use AI in at least one part of their business. At the same time, the United Nations warns that rapid AI growth could widen the gap between wealthy and developing nations, unless access and infrastructure improve globally. So this week in AI, OpenAI goes code red. Agentic AI takes center stage. Safety concerns get louder, and the global AI divide becomes impossible to ignore. This technology is accelerating, and we're here to keep you ahead of it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, share, and stay tuned for next week's AI Unlocked news.